Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Automated accessibility testing is an essential part of software development that ensures applications are usable by people with disabilities. Selenium, a widely used tool for automating web applications for testing purposes, can be extended to check for accessibility compliance. In this tutorial, we will explore how to perform automated accessibility testing using Selenium with C. We will also use the AXCore library, which is a popular accessibility testing engine. Prerequisites: 1. Visual Studio. Ensure you have Visual Studio installed on your machine. 2. Selenium WebDriver. You need to have Selenium WebDriver installed. 3. nunit or any other testing framework for running your tests. 4. AXCore for .NET. This library will help you perform accessibility checks. Step 1. Setting up your project. 1. Create a new C project. Open Visual Studio and create a new C project, console application or test project. 2. Install NuGet packages. You need to install the following NuGet packages: Selenium.WebDriver, Selenium.Support, Selenium.WebDriver.Chrome driver, or any other driver you need. nunit. AXCore for accessibility testing. You can install these packages using the NuGet Package Manager or the Package Manager console. Bash. Install package Selenium.WebDriver. Install package Selenium.Support. Install package Selenium.WebDriver.Chrome driver. Install package nunit. Install package AXCore. Step 2. Writing the test code. Now that your project is set up, you can write a test that performs accessibility checks on a web page. Here's a simple example of a Selenium test using C that checks for accessibility issues. Sharp. Using system. Using nunit.framework. Using openqa.selenium. Using openqa.selenium.chrome. Using AXBuilder. Namespace accessibility tests. Public class accessibility test. Private WebDriver driver. Setup. Public void setup. / initialize the Chrome driver. Driver equals new Chrome driver. Test. Public void test accessibility. / navigate to the page you want to test. Driver.navigate. Go to URL, https://yourwebsite.com. / run AXCore accessibility checks. var ax equals new AXBuilder, driver. var results equals ax.analyze. / print results. console.readAlign, $accessibility violations, results.violations.count. For each, var violation in results.violations. console.readAlign, $violation ID, violation.id. console.readAlign, $description, violation.description. console.readAlign, $impact, violation.impact. For each, var node in violation.nodes. console.readAlign, $HTML, node.html. / assert that there are no violations. Assert.array_, 0, results.violations.count, there are accessibility violations. Teardown. Public void teardown. / close the browser. Driver.quit. Step 3, running the tests. 1. Build the project, compile your project to ensure there are no errors. 2. Run the tests. You can run the tests using the Test Explorer in Visual Studio or using a command line if you are using a CI/CD pipeline. Step 4, analyzing results. Once the tests run, you will see the output in the console. it will list all the accessibility violations detected by AXCore. If any violations are found, the test will fail, indicating that accessibility issues need to be addressed. Conclusion: automated accessibility testing using Selenium and AXCore is a powerful way to ensure your web applications are accessible to all users. This tutorial provided a basic framework to get started with accessibility testing in C. You can extend this example by adding more complex tests and integrating it into your CI/CD pipeline. Additional resources: AXCore documentation, https://www.decay.com/ax. Selenium documentation, https://www.selenium.dev/documentation. nunit documentation, https://nunit.org. By following these steps and utilizing the provided code, you should be able to implement automated accessibility testing in your C projects effectively.